In this video, let's talk about how to recover a Binance account. Now, there can be a few cases to this. For example, if you have forgotten the password of your account, you could either use the passkeys that you have gotten while creating your account. If you don't yet have the passkeys, you can simply tap on the forgot password option, and then you'll be able to follow the on-screen prompts in order to change or reset your password. Secondly, what you can also do is reset the last two-factor verification, as I said, using the passkeys, or if you do not have the passkeys as well, within this section you'll be able to see the option called the reset, where you can reset your two-factor authentication. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you need to do is file a forgot account appeal. If you have completely lost your account, then in this situation, what you can simply do is search for Binance Forgot Account Appeal Portal, and you'll be able to head over to the first link, and then you'll be able to appeal this by providing your government issued ID, which was already linked with your Binance account. Make sure that you upload a clear picture of your ID, which could be your passport or your driver's license. And once you submit this file, and you should be able to get your account back within 7 days. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.